Good afternoon, good evening, every time you watch this video, guys. Today I want to speak about most unknown topic, or those know also they mislead us. Yes, and they mislead others. Those don't know, they don't want to say I don't know. They think they are trying to say because they think they are the best. The problem is that, yeah. So today I want to speak about what we call here trend lines. And I'm not wondering, and most of people, because when someone say that thing doesn't work, means that person is already, and he's two things: he's arrogant, she's arrogant, or he doesn't know that thing, and he don't want to say I don't know that thing. Let me say trend lines. So draw up trend lines. Trend lines is vertical support and resistance levels, and you can call whatever you say, you can call whatever you call. So trend lines, if you want to use trend lines, you have to know, and what you have to know basic of price action. Number one, you must know higher highs, higher lows, uptrend, lower lows, low highs for downtrend. You see, guys. Okay, you must know also that some basic of wave principles like A, B, C button. So don't up that and market structure, and you will be good to go, guys. All right. So going back straight to the what I want to tell you, guys. So we got the here time frames, monthly time frame, we got the weekly time frame, we got the daily time frame, we got the H4 time frame, we got H8 time frame, H3 time frame, all of that. You see. So and if you want to trend line work for you, you need to know how to use the trend lines and do one kick and do back testing one kick for 1,000 times. 1,000 times, guys. So today I was here in here. I was taking picture from here. Where's that? Stacy system. Okay, I was watching Stacy. He say here, I fear not the man who practices 10 times kick his ons, but I fear the man who practices one kick 10,000 times. You getting that information? I fear the man who practices one kick 10,000 times. Just one kick for 10,000 times. Beautiful price action. If you're understanding that kick, just one kick, you backtest it 10,000 times. 10,000 times. Just one kick, 10,000 times. I fear the man who backtested one kick for 10,000 times. All right. I wish now you guys understand where people are missing. The people are missing. Try to backtest one kick for the same kick 10,000 times. Okay, I guarantee for you will be a different person. You will change, guys. Okay, in this particular case now, guys and girls, so to draw trend lines, we need to know the lowest point of the market and highest point of the market. Okay, in this particular case, we are in a monthly time frame. So every time you want to be successful trading, start from high time frame, what they call top-down analysis. And from there, you will see the light. Okay, so here in this particular, what you see, lowest is here. So lowest is called bounty A of this time frame. So this one is what, let me say, is bounty B. So bounty B of monthly time frame, it's gonna be bounty A. So you're going to start with the trend line of weekly time frame, starting from bounty B of monthly time frame, because it's second time frame, right? So this area, this line is, so that's gonna be bounty A of weekly time frame, bounty B, bounty B, bounty B. All this is bounty B. So this bounty B, it's gonna be what? The bounty O of daily time frame. That's where to start trend lines. That's how to start trend lines. That's how to trade trend lines. And you see the market is doing higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. We are connecting the dots from the swing highs to the swing lows. So are you guys together? So in this particular case, we are using here daily time frame bounty A, and this is weekly time frame bounty B. Starting trend line from there. So this can be what? Daily time frame bounty B. So the daily time frame bounty B, it can be what? H4 time frame bounty A. That's where to start trend lines. That's where to start trend lines, guys. That's where to start trend lines. So the market is still creating higher highs, high lows. So in H4 time frame, what do you see so far? The market need to come back high lows. Are you guys together? So going back to the H4 time frame, I mark my zone here. Draw up from here, trend line around here. Draw me trend line from here. Actually, if you're using M24 from the phone, is the chart is too small, man. So you can't zoom out and zoom in, guys. Actually, this can be fake out here. It can be fake out. So bounty B H4 around here. So trend line most of the times you see a lot of fake out. So a lot of fake out. So this is gonna be what? Bounty B of H4. So it starts from where? Bounty of H1. So what do you see so far? The market break bounty B of H1. In this particular case, what do you see? This is going to be bounty A for 30-minute time frame. This actually is fake out. Are you guys together? So when we see that, then we know the market find the high. So now, this morning I draw what is what bounty A to bounty B of H1 time frame. Now draw trend lines from H1 time frame. I see here bounty A to bounty B. So bounty A to bounty B is that. So this bounty B is what? H1 time frame, 30-minute time frame bounty A to bounty B. You see what I'm talking here? So this is gonna be what? 15-minute time frame bounty A to bounty B. So this is multi-zone area. So are you guys trying to understand what I'm trying to hear? What I'm trying to show you here, guys. So that's why I say here, you need to understand things before you speak about trend lines, blah blah blah. So most of the guys, they don't understand. So if I don't understand something, I say, this guy, I don't know. I need to learn more. Can you explain for me? Sure. See? Because I don't understand that thing. I don't keep myself arrogant, guys. See? You see what I'm talking about? They say knowledge is between people. Okay. In this particular case, what do you got here? Bounty A for 15-minute time frame to bounty B. The market is struggling to break bounty B. Bounty B, it's already telling me supply and demand. It's supply area. Okay, no problem. Then from there, I need to go what I call here signal days. Signal days is what? Trigger days. Pump it down. Coming bum, free cash. Okay, in this particular case, when I come to the market, I look for daily signal, guys. So in this article, everything is three. I call it focus is a scam because it's based on Trinity, guys. Trinity is most about confusing people, guys. So this is dumping day. Again, they bump up, pumping a dump day. So pumping a dump day. So Friday, break yesterday high, Thursday high, but problem is here. She didn't close. Bullish breakout. Are you guys together? She didn't close bullish breakout. Then we can say this is A plus setup. So we call it here setups. We call it setups. What setups? I call setups different. As you stage back, when you watch stage back, you will understand many things here. So stage back is here A plus setup. If market leaves the support, daily support, and keep going up, they one close breakout, they two close breakout, they two high close. It's called A plus setup. So it's low risk setup, guys. So second setup is what? A plus setup. It's a daily chart here. So we are creating daily candles. Okay, market find resistance, drop back, and create a strong bullish candle. Again, market close and breakout. So resistance against bullish breakout, let's call it A plus setup. Okay, again this day, the market was strong buy candle, buy candle, buy candle, 3 buy candles, 4 buy candles. It's extreme high, right? So that is called it session setup. Session setup, guys. A plus setup, A plus setup, and A plus setup. Are you guys together? So when you understand your setup, so gold is give us today so far from Trendline area confluences, Asian session collapse, London session collapse, again collapse. Why? Because it's one A setup, guys. Is 1A setup. This setup is 1A setup. Are you guys together? Because there is no strong bullish breakout here. Right? They didn't close bullish breakout. So we can call it A plus setup. We call it A setup, session setup. So which means take the profit. Take the profit, run 50 bip, run 100 bip. So you know you set up, and you can make a lot of free cash. Are you guys together? So I wish now you guys understand in 11 minutes what you're looking for in trading. Are you guys together? Go to other time frames, simple process, same process. A plus setup, setup plus setup. So in this particular case, we're saying here, it's 15 minutes A bond, right? To B bond. So when we want to use here, okay, what do you see here? So this gonna be what? 5 minute A bond to B bond. It's a 5 minute trend line. I guess so we can draw a 5 minute trend line around here. So we can draw a 5 minute trend line around here. We are drawing from A bond to B bond. See, are you guys turning together? Are you guys understand what I'm trying to see here? So trying to see and follow you daily signals. You see, still what? Daily signal is still bearish. So A setup, 5 minute trend lines. If they break 5 minute closes, maybe they can be bullish, but we need to close. We need to see of the price breaking of yesterday previous daily high, 56.48. If they break, then we see is like that. If they don't break, means it's gonna be fail breakout. Trendline most of the time they meet fail breakout, a lot of fail breakout, guys. So and they break yesterday low, daily low, but then candles is going. Oh, be careful. Candles didn't close below. Be careful. They break yesterday low today, daily sellers in the market. But main problem is here, the candles didn't close below. Big problem. They run very fast. It's problem. So this also the candles close above. That's why you confuse. The market's confused. So but it's A setup. A setup. A setup with A plus setup. Which means is session setup. A plus setup is session setup. If you can keep that simple, it will be simple. If you can't keep it simple, it will never be simple. So if you go to weekly, it's A plus A. It's like if you go to H4 time frame, and what do you see? So BAM week. This week was close breakout, right? So that's what according to the weekly is A plus setup. But you have to go to H4 time frame and try to look for increase from supply areas, from resistance area. They can go up tomorrow till tomorrow, and they give you A plus setup from there. Are you guys together? So understand that A setup, A plus setup, and session setup. It will be easy for you. If you can keep that simple, it will be simple. If you can't keep that simple, it will be confused. It will be confused. I'm telling you guys. If you can keep it simple, it will be simple. Keep it simple, keep back testing, keep getting better, and keep learning. أنا معاذ معكم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.